Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Dental Lovers. Today we are covering a very interesting instrument, that is the stethoscope. So in this video we'll cover what is the stethoscope, second what is its history, and third part is what are the parts of the stethoscope. Now what is the stethoscope? It is a medical instrument which is used to listen to the internal sounds of the body, either human body or the animal body. Now let's talk about its history. It is very interesting, although it was invented by Dr. René Laennec in 1816 in France. So this story is very interesting. What happened was, while examining the women's, he is very uncomfortable placing his ears on their chest. So he folded the piece of a paper and put that on their chest, and he observed that the voice amplifies which comes from their heart. In 1851, Irish physician Arthur Laird invented the binaural stethoscope, whereas in 1852, George Philip Common perfected the design of the stethoscope instrument. And this is the type of the stethoscope which we all use in our daily lives. Now various parts of the stethoscope. So this stethoscope is divided mainly into two parts. One is this is known as the headset, and this whole piece is known as the chest piece. Now this headset, these portions, these are known as the ear tips. These are the portions which are used to listen the sounds of the internal organs and also cut off the supply of another voices coming from the outer world. Now here this rod coming is known as the ear tubes. So these are the portion which transfer the sounds to the ear tips so that they can go to our ears. Now this is known as the tube. This could be made up of rubber or the PVC. Maintain the frequency of the sound coming from the patient body and transfer it to the physician ear. Now you can see this portion clearly. So this is known as the chest piece. This whole piece is known as the chest piece. Here you can see this knob. It is known as the stem. This is made up of steel and it acts as a switch between the diaphragm and the bell portion. So now this chest piece is divided into the two parts. One is this diaphragm. This broad area is diaphragm, and this portion is known as the drum. This diaphragm portion, which is the broader one, is used to listen to the high frequency sounds, for example the lung sound or the heart sound of the adults, whereas this small portion here is known as the bell, which is used to listen to the
or narrow frequency sounds,
for example of the fetus heart. Here you can see a hole. Right now this hole is open because we can see there is nothing inside it. It means we can listen the sound from the bell region. But now you can see there is a presence of a tube inside this hole. Now this region makes the diaphragm on and the bell region off. So now we can listen the sounds from this diaphragm region. So this is all about the stethoscope.
Thank you friends for watching my video. Do like the video, share with your friends, with your dearest ones, with your family, and please hit the subscribe button below. 25% people has not subscribed yet. So please subscribe here.